Break ID number 1223. 2017 Topps Gold Label Baseball 2-box break. Here is the left to right ordered list. And mash it up. And there you go. Well, Keith, you got the Yankees and the Dodgers. This is one of the biggest sleeper products I think that we've done. Incredible price point, and the cards are selling well. The parallels and the gold frames. And we might be doing a half case or a full case of it sometime soon. One of John's favorites. Frames on top. Not anymore. Nope, you missed Boston. Stingy so far on the parallels. Oh, I see what you said. Bellinger rookie. Well. Here's a blue. Dansby Swanson to 150. And the frame. Jorge Alfaro to 486. Approximately. To the Phillies. Keith, see you. Bellinger rookie. Chronicles is sold out. There may be a filler there, though. There may be a cheap filler left on it, which does need to sell out also. Not sure about that one. Well, come on, parallels. Yeah. Jake Thompson to 150. And the frame. Joe Musgrove. To the Astros. Derek, M.A. Was there a Judge in there also? I'll make sure that's in there. It'll at least be shipped, but I'll find it.